Bluetooth mode.
Hi guys, this is Aries. Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who's new here, thank you for checking on this video, and I hope you consider subscribing. Click the notification bell so you will be notified of my upcoming videos. So today, join me on a typical weekend where I edit my vlogs and manage the content of my channel. On this video as well, we're going to talk about the typewriter mechanical keyboard, what it does, basic functionalities, and my thoughts about it. So if you're interested, just watch this video. But before we hop into that, let me give you an ASMR keyboard typing that really no one asked for, but I hope you enjoy. I got this keyboard online. I'll just be leaving a link on the description box of the shop where I got it from. So now I'm just trying the keys. I'm removing it to check. It's made of plastic, as you can see. The size is not typical because it's a round size, and I'm just testing the sound of the keyboard when the keycaps were removed. It's very easy to remove and return as well. You just have to push a little. I also did a key test, and pretty much all the keys are working, although the snippet would only contain most of the keys that I've tried. I also thought of turning off the lights just so you can see the RGB and the different varieties that you can have from this keyboard. You just have to press FN and INS all together, and you'll have the different options on how the keyboard lights up. And this is what I'm going to show you here. Basically, there's a lot of options that you can choose from depending on how you want it to light up. So here you go. Based from this test, all the lights are pretty working. There's a lot of options for you to light up this keyboard, but me personally, I'm not into the different lights when typing. I just don't find it functional. But you know, it all depends on our preference, and some would like this to light up as colorful as it could be. Now let me try typing on this keyboard when all the keys are lit up. Basically, you can see all the keys. How the keyboard looks like when the key lights are lit up and the lights are turned on. It's pretty visible as well. All the lights are working, and you can try the different varieties on how to light up this keyboard, similar to what we've tested when the lights are turned off. So now let's discuss the pros and cons of this keyboard. Let's start with the good things about it. So the first one would be, definitely this keyboard is aesthetically pleasing. I like the RGB and the different options that you can light up this keyboard. It's very colorful. It brings the vibe when you start using it, and it really looks good. Even though the keycaps are made of plastic, I don't see it as something cheap. When you see the keyboard, it looks classy and very much above its price, so I find it affordable. Now let's talk about the cons. Well, to begin with, this is a wired keyboard. So if you're looking for a portable keyboard where you can connect your devices, can it be a tablet, your laptop, or phone, this is not the keyboard for you. Although I know that there are similar type of keyboards that's wireless and has the typewriter vibe, which I think you can check on other stores. Second, I don't see this keyboard as functional as other keyboards in the market, primarily because of the size of the keycaps. You know, the size of the keycaps are round, and it has an effect on how you type and how your fingers locate the keys. And because of its size, there are tendencies that you will have wrong keys, and that leads to you repeating the words you type, and that's not as functional as it could be, especially if you're busy and running in. Overall, I like this keyboard mainly because of how it looks. You know, it fits the aesthetic and the theme that you're eyeing for. But if you're looking for a mechanical keyboard that's really functional and you'll get the most out of it, then I think there will be other mechanical keyboards in the market that you can choose from. There you go. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something about the typewriter mechanical keyboard. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!